Alright, so this is another Jeff Moss lock, little arrow, that's been giving me a lot of problems. I've been working on it for a while now. I've been unable to SPP this thing. I've raked it a few times, but have been unable to reproduce those accurately. So today at the office I was playing with it a little bit, and I might have it now. I don't know. So if I can get this on camera, we'll gut this thing too. I'm going to be doing a little bit of raking with this Sparrow's hook, and then if all goes well, I'll just need to pick one pin at the back, pin 6. So this one, like the other one, requires some light tension. Oh, I unset something. Let's try that again. Oh man, got something binding up. Now this thing, as I'm pushing these pins up, it creaks and groans. It almost sounds like and feels like serrated pins, but that'd be strange in a lock like this. Unless someone's taken it apart to screw with me. There we go. So I actually had to set 5 and 6. So I want to send this out to someone to see if anyone else can SPP this thing. But first I'm going to see if this has any serrated pins or anything like that. See what's going on in here. Maybe it's just dirty. So, sorry guys, I'm at the office. I don't have anything with me really. No clamp, anything like that. So we're kind of winging it today. I'll try and get a close-up of these things as I get them out though. So let's pop this ring off. Alright. Woo 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 woo. Look like standard from what I can tell here, so I'll just start dumping these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll get the camera closer once I get all these out and everything. Oh, looks like a standard pin. Another standard pin. Whoa! The one that got away. Got her. And the last one. Oops. So, it looks like it's nothing but standard pins, and it looks pretty clean too, so I don't know why. Focus, but probably can't see in there. Nice and smooth though. There is a spring. There we go. Well, that spring looks a little tweaked, but let's get a little closer on here so you guys can see what's going on. And sorry about the lighting here. Just a spare office where I'm out of the way. But yeah, not too exciting. So if someone wants to try and give this guy a shot, I'm more than happy to send it out to you. If not, that's cool too. I'll keep working on it. Maybe I'll get it one of these days. So thanks.